Hey friends! I got a full back massage tutorial using a muscle roller stick. Hit that like and save. Once you get it down, you can do this yourself at home. First, get some oil on your back and shoulders. Use your hands to press along the Du meridian down the middle of your back. The Du is the yang sea of energy, so repeat a few times. Next, press along both bladder channels on the sides. Give extra love to the lower back if it's tight. Now for the roller stick massage steps. I know it's a longer video, but stick with me. Get some oil on the roller stick too. Step 1. Use the bead side and roll from neck to lower back. Start gentle and increase pressure. Slow rolls to loosen up them back muscles. Step 2. Use the bumpy middle section down the spine. Press up and down the spine 5 to 8 times. Adjust pressure based on your comfort, no need to overdo it. The back is divided into upper energizer, middle energizer and waist. Upper is the shoulders, heart and lung zone. Middle is liver and gallbladder. Lower back is next. Let's start where the shoulders and neck meet. Use the wave side on your upper trapezius. Bead side for the shoulder blades. One hand holds the stick steady, other hand presses out firm, then light coming back. Go gentle and slow. Repeat on those shoulder blades like this. Gets energy moving. Roll the beads up and down the shoulders. Rub side to side too. Switch sides and repeat. Loosen up first before pressing. Roll beads in the shoulder blade gap. Simple and feels so good. Use beads to relax the neck too. Neck has 3 spots, middle first, then sides. This stretches the trapezius and neck nicely. Keep steady grip, move the stick with the other hand. Don't let the neck hold any weight. Suggest going lighter here. Flick outwards to stimulate bladder channel. Follow same steps on the other side. Study these moves and focus where you're sore. Lastly, release the lower back. Got it, friends? Like and follow for more.